You have a very short window to cancel the refund, so do it as fast as you can. First, click on the transaction option over here. You may spot the refund that you want to cancel in the payment list over here. For example, I have my partial refund, so you want to click on the 3-point button just beside it and choose cancel refund button, and then select yes, cancel refund. You are then good to go. As you can see, the notification just changed from partial refund to succeeded payment. So the refund is cancelled. And if you happen to not see the cancel refund option, means that you cannot cancel your refund, I suggest you to create a payment link in the same amount of money that you refunded to your customer before, or you can always raise the price slightly if you are worried about the Stripe fee for the payment. So click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen and choose the payment link option. On the product section, click on add a new product. You can then copy the name and my description for this payment link that aiming to get your money back. Just don't forget to insert your own invoice number, the date, and also the name of the product. You may also add the image of your own product that got refunded so your customer have a more clear idea. Then add the pricing at the amount of money that you just refunded before and click on the add product button. Tap on the create link button and you may copy this payment link and send it to your customer either by chat, or you may also copy this email template if you are using email, so you will sound more professional with it. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.